guys, and welcome back to a brand new video and a brand new episode on the Grow Your Imagination channel today. And you can see this isn't our normal garden, this isn't our normal intro area. This is actually my nan's garden. So we're down, and so I just wanted to, while we're down here, I didn't want to leave you guys without a video. This video will be coming out on my birthday, which is Sunday. But so we're recording it the day before it will go out. But we thought we'd not leave you without a video. We'd record one and upload it. So we're gonna give you a tour of my nan's garden, and we're gonna start down here with a few little bits, and then we're gonna work our way around and then back to where we started. So the first bit to show you with my nan and granddad's garden is this little water feature here with strawberries next to it. And you would know in our garden we have strawberries, and not many have come through. We only had one. And then if we go to the front, you can pretty hear it. We have kois and fantails. That's it. So I'm not too sure. I think so. I'm not going to put my hand too close, but you can see there's about 5 really big ones in here. There's that one, and then there's another one like that somewhere. There it is. And then there's a big, and there's another one. And there should be a big black one somewhere. Oh, there's another one. But yeah, there should be a big black one, like a really big black one somewhere, but he might be hiding because obviously the watercolour looks quite dark. But let's go round where we have some more strawberries. So we're here at another strawberry little bit, and there's one down here which my nan has said that I am allowed to pick. Right, so I'm just going to eat this and then we'll move on to the next bit. It's a lot better than the strawberry I had, that's for sure. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about my nan's grass. And so when this gets brown, you can actually just pick it off. And I'm gonna pull it. There we go. So yeah, when they go brown, and my nan will then once they all go brown, pick them all out, and they will regrow. And as well, another thing that my nan just said is to wear long sleeves like I've got, because the grass can be sharp and can cause irritation. So we're over here, and so we've got some nasturtiums, which you would know. In our garden we are overrun with them, and we've got begonias, and we've got 3 notes. I just quickly named them Nanny, Grandad, Mum, because it just seemed a bit thin. There wasn't a full one for my uncle, not yet. So we're quickly going to show you a pan of the garden, and then we will walk around it. And my granddad, you could just see there was cleaning some bits that he gave us, but more of that in video. Right, back to me. So now we're going to do a quick walk around, and my nan's got quite a lot of roses and quite a few flowers. So we're coming up to the first rose now, and so this is a single head rose. I'm not too sure what the variety is, there isn't a label, but all I know is that is a single head of rose. So just as we walk up, we've got some climbers, and we've got some nice flowers, and we've got a little ornament, and then here is our second rose. So this variety of rose is called Best Wishes, and it's a double head rose. Yeah. So then if we would walk along more, you can see we've got a few little treatises, and a long time ago, very early on in the channel, we made them in under 5 minutes with some bamboo, with some cable ties, and with one other thing I forgot now. But there's another rose here, which is also a double. I'm not too sure on this variety. There's also a little, 2 little seats. So you can sit here, and I would imagine it's quite nice with a cup of tea and a biscuit. So this is like a reddy pink colour rose, and it's a double. You can see that. I think this might be more of a single, a little bit more in between, like a single and a double. And then as we walk along, we've got a Buddha. As you can probably see, my nan quite like ornaments because they're all the way along down here. But funny thing to mention now is that you can see this funny little looking tree thing with the beard, and we named it after my mum because my mum is a redhead and this has got a red head. But yeah, so as we walk along more, you can see we've got windmills, and there's actually, so as you come into my nan, there's actually 5 windmills, and when I was younger I named them Nanny's windmills because yeah, I always knew when we were near Nanny's. And then we're walking around so you can see we've got the windmills, and then we've got another little bit of the garden to go. We've got another little bit to the garden to go. Oh no, sorry, it's actually just my nan has been quite clever with a mirror, and it just makes it look like the garden goes on, but it's actually just a fence. So we're on this side now. So my nan's got quite a few hydrangeas. So these 3 are all hydrangeas. So we also bought 2 cuttings of hydrangeas from our garden, and she's going to plant these in. And you can see there's a wicked little elf looking thing over there. And then if we walk down, we've got some more of this grass. We've got another little hydrangea at the back there. You would know our hydrangea is quite big and it was flowering about a week ago. I don't know whether it still is. But we've got some more hydrangeas. These ones are quite nice. I really like these ones. And then we've got a massive bunch of lavender. We've actually got lavender in our garden, but it doesn't quite look as good as this. So there's a little hedge here. And then if you walk down, so you can see this side is a little bit more barren than the other side is. But we've got a little climber there, and then we've got some of these, and I think my nan's planning on putting this in, maybe because she's got it in some water. So I think she might be getting ready to, well, not today obviously, but and then you can see some roses. They're a double, they're the doubles. So, and then we've got some more flowers. I'm not too sure what these are. Then we've got a little shed, and then we've got so my nan's got some cutting tape. So you go along, you cut what you need, it regrows back, and it's just salads basically, it's just salad leaves. And then we've got a shed in there where my nan and granddad have got a shed there as well, which has got a sit-on lawnmower. And we've got another climate here, and so this is where we put the bits where we took you can see here where we took the long grass off. And so this is the stuff that my granddad has donated to us, and so it's just so there's quite a bit of this, and it's just so we can put it, we know our squashes, guys, we can put them on there, and that will stop it just laying on the ground. So we've got that. We've also got this, which we can use. So you guys will remember that we had this sort of style over our brassicas, and we had a mesh, but we had to take that off because it was getting too big. But we've got some poles that don't extend, but you like add to them, and then it extends out, which could be quite good for runner beans next year. And then we've got these, and my granddad was just cleaning these out, and so we're going to be taking these back, and we are going to use them to sow some like some overwinter stuff. And then we've got these, which so on it said, but if you pretend this was a cane or something, and then you put these on the end and you extend it, so that could be quite good for runner beans as well. So we've got them. So you can see there's quite a lot of for try pack in the car. It should be fine though, we should be able to fit it all in. But yeah, so that will all go home. So we've got a little bit of work to do basically. So it's the last bit of the garden, and we have gone all the way around, and we're now here back at the patio area. So you can see we've got a few little children little football tournaments, and then we've got 2 aces. This is the first one, and we've got a slightly bigger acer at home. I think it's actually the same colour, but it's quite a bit bigger. And then if we move around, this is a black variety Acer, and basically, so this is quite big. It's a little bit bigger than ours, but yeah. So we've come to the end of the car. But I hope you enjoyed today's episode. It was a bit of a different one. We're in a bit of different scenery. I do hope you enjoy it. And when we're down at my nan's and when everything's back to normal, when we can come down a bit more often, maybe if you guys would like to this, maybe and if you guys comment, maybe we can, when we come down here, we can do a little bit more on her garden. Maybe she'll have a few more flowers in next time and we can talk about them. But I hope you enjoyed today's episode on Grow Your Imagination. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and as always, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my brand new videos. But there's 2 videos popping up now, and one is the last week's Friday night update, which was quite a jam-packed one, and the other one is the first the part 1 of the making the strawberry bed. Yeah, making these strawberry beds. But I hope you enjoyed, and this is going to be coming out on my birthday. So maybe I might be setting up a Facebook and Instagram page, which I hope to have for maybe Monday into Tuesday, hopefully, or I can get it set up quicker. So look out for that, and I'll be telling you how you can find the page. But I will catch you all in the next one. Bye, guys.